This new 2024 Ford SD F-350 Lariat is in stock and available. It is powered by a 6.7-liter high-output power-stroke V8 turbodiesel B20 engine and a torque-shift 10-speed automatic transmission. It is finished in Oxford white paint and includes black appearance package. This SD has 18-inch machined and tarnished dark anodized low-gloss painted aluminum wheels. The interior features black onyx leather, trimmed 40 console 40 seats. The infotainment system includes B&O Unleashed sound system by Bang & Olufsen with HD radio 14 speakers including subwoofer. Contact Ford to learn more about this 2024 SD today.